Good morning to students. Today the concept name is basic duality of Boolean algebra. The duality of Boolean algebra was discussed in earlier classes. That is the principles of duality. What is the fundamental statement for principle of duality? The principle of duality means this is very important principle used in Boolean algebra. This states that starting with a Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by. Here, three basic rules are used. First one is changing each R sign to an and sign. That means all plus operations can be changed by dot operation, multiplication operations. You know that addition operation and multiplication operations. Addition operation is the plus symbol, multiplication operation is the dot symbol. The first rule is changing each R sign, that means a plus sign, to an and sign, that means dot sign. The second rule is changing each and sign to an R sign. That means each dot operator can be changed by each plus operator. That is the second rule. The third rule is changing each 0 by 1 and each 1 by 0. These are the basic three rules. These three rules available in the principle of duality. That is the concept name, basic of duality of Boolean algebra. Basics of duality of Boolean algebra. Simply we should learn all plus operators changed by all and operators in the expression. All dot operations, that means the multiplication operations can be changed by plus operations. The third rule is changing 0 by 1s and 1 by 0s. That means the binary numbers, zeros can be replaced by 1s and 1s can be replaced by zeros. That is the complementary law. That is the basic meaning of duality of principles. This concept in depth we should learn different concepts. We already have talked about duality principle. If you observe all the theorems and the rules covered so far, we will find a basic duality which underlines. All Boolean algebra, the postulates and theorems which have been presented can all to be divided into pairs. For example, x plus x dot y is equal to x. This theorem also proved in previous classes. You can understand more concentrated on online classes. Without concentration you cannot understanding, because here there is no board presentation, any equations and symbolic notations. For that you can understand. Basically it is a easy concept, but without board presentation you cannot understanding. Please try to understand all the equations. Okay. For example, x plus x dot y is equal to x. Here we should use plus operator and a dot operation. X plus x dot y is equal to x. Its dual will be x dot x plus y is equal to x. So that is the first rule of the principle of duality. Changing all plus operator to dot operator and all dot operator to plus operators. First example, x plus x dot y is equal to x. Its dual will be x dot x plus y, that is equal to x. Okay. Remember, change to plus and vice versa. Complement 0 and 1. That means all zeros can be changes to ones and all ones can be changes to zeros. Similarly, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus yz. That is associative law. Is the duality of x dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z, and x plus 0 is equal to x is dual of x dot 1 equal to x. Are you getting my point? To observe the basic rules of duality of principles, basically 3 rules are there. OR operation can be changes to AND operation can be changes to OR operation, and the third rule is all zeros changes by ones, all ones changes by zeros. These 3 rules can be applied on the small equation x plus x dot y is equal to x, and its dual is x dot x plus y is equal to x. Remember, change to plus dot to plus and vice versa. Complement 0 and 1. The complement of 1 is equal to 0. The complement of 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z is the dual of x dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z, and x plus 0 is equal to x is dual of x dot 1, that is equal to x. So next further concept, in proving the theorem of or rules of Boolean algebra, it is then necessary to prove only one theorem, and the dual of the theorem following necessarily in effect. All Boolean algebra is predicate. For example, given the duality of following result is Boolean algebra, that means x dot x is equal to 0 for each x. The basic problem is x dot x is equal to 0 for each x. The solution is using duality principle. Dual of x dot x is equal to 0 is x plus x is equal to 1 by changing dot to plus and vice versa, and by replacing ones by zeros and vice versa. So that is the example problem of principle of duality. The basic problem is x dot x is equal to 0 for each x. Apply the duality principle on x dot x is equal to 0. The basic solution is x plus x is equal to 1. X dot x is equal to 0 is the basic problem. By applying duality principle on that equation, x plus x is equal to 1. Here all dot operators change by plus operator, all ones changing by zeros. And one more example problem is, given the duality of x plus 0 is equal to x for each x, The solution of this equation is, basic equation is x plus 0 is equal to x. The solution of this expression is x plus 0 is equal to x and x dot 1 is equal to x. The same rules can be applied in different problems. We can solve it. That is the basic duality principle rules. So basically x dot x is equal to 0 is the equation, that is the problem 1. You can apply duality principle on that equation x dot xy is equal to 0. X plus x is equal to 1. Clearly to observe, three rules solutions are analyzed here. All plus operators changed by dot operator, all dot operator changed by plus operator, all zeros changed by ones. So this is the fundamental principles of duality of principles. Once again, three rules are available here. First rule is changing each or sign, plus to and and sign, that means dot sign. Changing each and, that means dot sign, to and or sign, that means plus sign. Third rule, replacing each 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. The new derived relation is known as the duality of the original relation. Dual of x plus y dot x plus z dot y plus z will be x dot y plus x dot z plus y dot z. So the basic equation is x plus y dot x plus z dot y plus z. We can apply the duality of a principle on that equation expression. X dot y plus x dot z plus y dot z. That means all plus symbols changed by dot symbol, all dot symbol changed by the the plus symbols. The further concept is derivation of Boolean expressions. How to derive the Boolean expressions? This is one of the important concepts in the fundamental of Boolean algebra. Boolean expressions which consists of a single variable and its complement. Boolean expressions which consists of a single variable and its complements. For example, we are taking a single variable and its complement is x complement. Example, x or y or z are known as literals. Now, before starting derivation of Boolean expressions, first we will talk about two very important terms. They are, number one is the min terms, then number two is the maximum terms. Derivation of Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions which consists of a single variable and its complement. For example, x, y, z are known as literals. Basically, these are the Boolean variables. And its complements is x is the x bar, y is the y bar, z is the z bar. Now, before starting derivation of Boolean expressions, first we should know the basic meaning of two terms. They are min terms and maximum terms. These min terms and maximum terms are very important key role in the further concept. That concept name is K-maps, Karan maps. The next class is K-maps. Before we should learn what is the basic meaning of min terms and maximum terms. Simply we call it as min terms and max terms. First, min terms. Min term is a product of all the literals. Min term is a product of all literals. How many literals we are taking an examples? X, Y and Z are the literals. The basic meaning of min terms is a product of all the literals with or without the bars within the logic system. Within the logic system. For example, three variables are taken. One is X, second one is Y, third one is the Z. Here the min term means X dot Y dot Z. That is the min term meaning. Min term is a product of all the literals. How many literals we should use in this concept? Basically three literals are used, X, Y and Z. X, Y, Z product is called min terms. But with or without bars, that means with complement or without complements. For example, we are taking one expression X dot Y dot Z. You will see that three variables X dot Y dot Z. X dot Y dot Z is the min terms basic meaning. Without bar and with bar means without complement and with complement. Complement means inverse. So min term is the product of all the literals with or without bars within the same or same logic system. Here board is not available here. For that, please try to understand the min term definition. Min term is a product of all the literals. Literals are the variables. X, Y are the variables. These variables also called as literals. The product of all the literals is called a min term. But with or without complement variables also available here within the product. For example, we are taking one expression X plus Y plus Z. The duality principle can be applied on the X plus Y plus Z is X dot Y dot Z. You can apply the complement variables X complement plus Y complement or Z complement, X dot Y dot Z dot. X dot Y dot Z is the basic variables. X complement dot Y complement dot Z complement is the complement of its variables. So one of the most powerful theorem within the Boolean algebra states that any Boolean function can be expressed as the sum of products of all the variables within the system. Sum of products of all the variables within the system. For example, X plus Y can be expressed as the sum of variable products. Each of the product containing letters X and Y. These products are called min terms, and each product contains all the literals with or without bars. Clearly we can observe here X plus Y is the basic expression. To apply the basic operation, addition operation, X plus Y plus is the addition operation. Each of the product containing letters X and Y, X dot Y, you can apply the duality principle X plus Y. These products are called min terms, and each product contains all the literals with or without bars. Simply, min term means a min term is a basically product that means multiplication operation, that contains literals. Literals means x plus y, x comma y comma z are the literals. These are the basic Boolean variables. These variables without complement variables or with complement variables, but there should be product variable. So that is